It's so early. It's 4:42. And I'm going to leave around 5, which means I have about a good 15 minutes to figure out what I'm gonna wear. We're heading early, thanks to Mama Kiki. I don't remember what he called this. It's called turkey?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. We're here. We're here at Kenneth River. Okay, you can barely see it. That one right there.
That's why we don't get a lot of action out of them.
Yeah.
What? Oh! Okay, that's so much better. Okay, so this is the coast. It's so bright, but coast.
Sunny.
Oh, I do. Oh, it's in the van. Okay, well. And then we got some rice. That's a big carrot.
I need to put my
Yes, flat. And banana bread. Yeah. More rainforesty things. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Guide us, Sarah.
Yeah. Just this way.
Okay. So, anything special about this rainforest?
No.
I'm pretty sure Mr. Steven, or is it Steve?
I don't know what his name is.
I can't remember. We're not good with names.
Yeah.
us just walking by. We're just walking around with a bug in our faces.
Yeah.
Now we're heading back to the bus. Australians like to say, yeah, yeah,
No.
ner,
Hello.
hello.
The water's so clear.
Yeah. That's the end. That's where people survived on a shipwreck, if I heard it correctly. Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Up there! Such like a paradise. Oh my gosh, look at her swim. She's like a mermaid. To be her right now. This guy followed us for 2 hours. Go away, Australian bug. They attack you. They're brutal. That would be really fun to just like jump off there.
Yeah.
It'd be terrifying,
It
but
would.
at the same time, would love to do it. The wreck. Shipwreck coast. Clear.